In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blower motor on your Subaru Baja. This is located inside the vehicle and behind the glove box. Let's get started. We'll use a 10mm. We can just loosen up the terminal a little bit and set it off to the side. We have a small clip right in underneath the glove box. We can use a Phillips head screwdriver to start the center of the clip, and then you can pull the clip out. On either side, you're going to want to bend the interior of the glove box in just a little bit, and you'll feel the tab clear the edge. You can do the same on the other side. And that'll let us drop that down. Now we have 9 Phillips head screws all around the outer edge. We can go ahead and remove all of those. You can pop one side of the glove box out and just push it over towards the other side, and then get the other side out. And we'll go ahead and set the glove box off to the side. You can go ahead and pull out on the panel on the transmission tunnel, and we'll set that off to the side as well. Now we have one more Phillips head screw right here. We can take the glove box bracket here and move this off to the side. We have an electrical connector for the light for the glove box. You can press in on the tab. It can help to push in on the connector while you press in on the tab. You always want to check your electrical connector for any damage or corrosion. That looks good. You can go ahead and remove the glove box bracket from the car. There's a small pipe coming off the motor. Just going to pop that off. And we can pull the insulator cover off. You can just set the pipe and the cover off to the side. We can unplug the electrical connector for the motor. We have 3 6mm screws we need to remove in order to get the blower motor out. And we can remove the blower motor. Now we can install the blower motor. As you're installing the blower motor, you'll need to move the wiring harness just a little bit down. Manipulate it in. Once we get the blower motor in, we can get our 3 screws started in. It's good to get all 3 started in before you tighten them down. And we can get the connector in. When you plug in the electrical connector, you want to make sure that it fully bottoms out and clicks in. If you don't audibly hear the click, make sure you pull back on the connector. Make sure it's not going to pull back out. You can get the insulator cap back on. There's a small split on the back side that can go around the wiring harness. You push the small hose on. You want to make sure to test the blower motor before you put the glove box back. To do this, we'll need to reinstall the negative cable and get the terminal on the battery. Make sure that your 10mm is orientated so that you can tighten it down. And we'll just snug that up. And then put the key in, turn it to accessory 2. Turn the blower switch, make sure it works. We can get our glove box bracket back in and plug the light in for the glove box. Make sure that fully locks in. And we can start to get the hardware back into the glove box bracket. can get the panel that goes against the transmission tunnel in the center of the vehicle back in. Line up all the tabs. And we can get the screws in. We'll just snug these up. And we can reinstall our plastic clip. Just press in on the center. We'll line up the two tabs on the bottom first. Once the bottom two tabs are in, you want to push in on the inside, make sure they're locked in. Next, we will push in on either side of the glove box. Once those pop in, the glove box should be able to drop down and hold itself up. And that's how to install the blower motor in your Subaru Baja. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.